What if I told you that while most people are still debating whether AI is overhyped, 3 of the world's biggest tech giants just rewrote the rules? I'm talking about AI models that think faster than you type, video editors that animate scenes from a sentence, and autonomous research agents that outwork entire human teams. These breakthroughs aren't speculative. They're live. And if you're not paying attention now, you're already falling behind. Because the age of waiting to see what AI can do is over. We've entered the era of adoption, acceleration, and adaptation. This is the week AI officially left the lab and entered your workflow. Let's break it all down. Tencent's Huanwen Image 2.0. Let's start in China, where Tencent just unleashed a monster upgrade in real-time visual creativity, Huanwen Image 2.0. And no, this isn't just a faster diffusion model. This is instant, high-res, text-to-image generation that responds while you're still typing your prompt. We're not talking seconds anymore. We're talking milliseconds. You say, a glowing tree under a blood-red sky. And before you finish the sentence, boom, it's there. The image forms in real time, as if the AI is sketching with you, not for you. Imagine this. A marketing designer building a live ad with voice prompts during a client pitch. A Twitch streamer drawing their next emote while interacting with their audience. A teacher creating visuals on the fly to explain abstract concepts to a classroom. With Huanwen, the barrier between thought and creation disappears. Now here's where it gets wild. The architecture has been completely re-engineered. Brand new codecs. A fresh, multi-phase diffusion backbone. Over 95% on Geneva's accuracy benchmark. It doesn't just get the gist. It nails the details: skin texture, clothing folds, light sources, emotional expression. Designers. This means professional-grade quality without spending hours tweaking. Even better? Their real-time drawing board feature lets you sketch while the image auto-generates style, shading, and color. Text, voice, sketches, they're all inputs now. Honestly, if Picasso had this, he'd have 1 million NFTs, 3 patents, and a YouTube channel. So yeah, this isn't a faster dolly. It's a creative partner that's finally fast enough to keep up with your ideas. And just as we're trying to wrap our minds around that, Alibaba's Vase, the AI video powerhouse. Boom! Alibaba's 1X lab drops the mic with something called Vase. Video all-in-one creation and editing. Let's get real. AI video tools until now have been messy. One tool to cut. Another to mask. Another for animation. It was like editing a movie with duct tape and hope. Vase changes all that. It's a complete AI video studio. Generate, edit, animate, even composite, all within one interface. And yes, it's open source. What can it do? Type golden sunset over Tokyo skyline. Get a full cinematic shot. Upload a clip, change the sky, recolor a jacket, extend the shot. Add objects, mask out backgrounds, blend styles, all in one go. It runs on Alibaba's 1-2.1, a 14 billion parameter backbone, using video units that maintain motion and lighting across edits. You're not just swapping pixels, you're orchestrating a scene. Imagine this scenario. A YouTuber changes an entire background without green screen. A brand swaps product models across 12 countries without reshooting. A solo game developer builds animated trailers, solo. It supports 720p now, but the devs are targeting full HD and above. Even better, if you're a Python user or PyTorch dev, setup is quick. CUDA 12.4 supported. Python 3.10. Gradio for web UI. Honestly, After Effects just filed for early retirement. The early benchmarks? Vase beat industry leaders in painting, frame stability, motion tracking, and artifact-free transitions. Real users preferred Vase's results over OpenAI and Pika Labs. That's not an opinion, that's data. And that's just round 2. Because while these two giants were transforming creative workflows, ByteDance double strike, Seed 1.5 VL and Deerflow. ByteDance, yes, the creators of TikTok, just pulled off a 1-2 punch that's shaking up the AI world. Let's start with Seed 1.5 VL. Think of it as an AI that sees and reasons, better than any other vision language model in its class. 3 trillion high-quality training tokens. Images, video, diagrams, documents, charts, spatial data. A hybrid architecture, 532M vision encoder plus 20B parameter LLM. It's smarter, more efficient. And it's beating OpenAI on 38 public benchmarks. What does that mean? You show it a cluttered kitchen, it counts objects, predicts actions, understands spatial layout. Upload a financial chart, it breaks down trends in plain language. Feed it a historical image, it cross-references context and offers insights. That's not just AI understanding pictures. That's AI reading the world. The real trick? It uses dynamic frame resolution sampling, adjusting quality and speed based on complexity. Busy video scenes get detailed frames, still shots save tokens. It thrives on low latency and tight token budgets, giving you speed and accuracy. And while we're still catching our breath, ByteDance says, "Oh, by the way, here's Deerflow." Deerflow, AI teamwork redefined. Imagine if instead of one smart AI doing everything, you had a team of specialized AI agents. One plans the research. Another searches online. Another writes code. Another composes the report. That's Deerflow. A modular, multi-agent system built for one thing, automating deep research. Think of it as an AI research department in a box, fully open source. Built on LangChain and LangGraph, it's structured like a flowchart. Planner agent breaks down a big task. Searcher agent pulls the latest research or data. Analyzer agent crunches code, math, or models. Writer agent turns it into an article, a podcast script, even a narrated audio report. And yes, it has a web UI. You can intervene at any point, tweak steps, give feedback, or override results. That level of transparency? That's enterprise ready. Use cases? Academic teams generating reviews in hours. Startups building technical content at scale. Journalists verifying claims and assembling multi-source reports. Honestly, if Sherlock Holmes had Deerflow, he'd have solved every mystery before tea. And yes, it can narrate your findings using built-in text-to-speech. Voice speed, pitch, and tone, fully customizable. Python 3.12, Node.js 22 supported. Plug in your APIs, add custom agents, and you're off. So let me ask you, what just happened here? In 1 week, the world got real-time generative art with Huanwen, Hollywood-level editing in your browser via Vase, smarter than ever multimodal intelligence from Seed 1.5 VL, and a fully autonomous research factory with Deerflow. You're not watching the future unfold, you're living in it. But here's the fear: if you're not adopting, experimenting, or learning, you're getting left behind. Here's the excitement: if you're early, even just curious, you've never had more power, tools, and potential than right now. Subscribe. Drop a like if you're ready to take these tools for a spin. And comment below, which AI would you adopt today? Because one thing's certain, the age of waiting is over. Catch you in the next one.